Welcome back, friends. Today we have a Dynaglow propane heater. We are trying to turn on the heater, but the ignition keep turning off. Stay with me, let's fix it. So firstly, let me show you so we can turn on to the pilot here, push it down. So you can see the ignition turn on while I push down. So when I will leave it, it's off. Now I press it, it's on, it's turned off. It's not staying on. So we will fix it. Make sure this one have the 4 screws, 2 on this side, 2 on the other side. Take off the screws, remove the front cover. So here you can see that one have the double, but this one should be working. But firstly we need to check if there's any debris or anything on this thing, because that is going to be heat up, then this will turn on. Keep turning on, make sure. And the second thing is, you can see at the front, we will give the air on this point in this hole, if that will turn on. If not, then we will unscrew this bolt and unscrew this bolt on the top, and we will see if there's any debris or anything inside. We have the air, so let me make sure. Make sure here. One more time. Okay, let me try to turn on if this will work. Otherwise, we will do the second part to remove this screw. That's on the pilot. Let me push it down. You can see it's turned on. And I left the button and it fixed. So that means it's easy. So that means there is some kind of dust is here in the hole. Let me turn the light on. In the hole, and we can fix it. And you can see that burner is running on the first shot. So that is fixed. Let me leave the front back and I'll turn on. Okay, so we just fixed the front. Now let me turn on the ignition and let's see how this is going to be work. Okay, that turn on, and we will turn the heater on. So let me turn the heat on. There you go. So you can see the heat is on. The ignition is working. That is working good. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thanks.